Welcome to Linh Linh House, where we break down architectural ideas into real costs and practical insights. In today's video, we will analyze the construction expenses of a small 100 square meter house designed in a Greek traditional style with modern stone elements. This analysis includes detailed estimates in US dollars, covering every stage from the foundation to the roof. By the end, you'll understand the realistic budget needed to create such a timeless stone home. Let's begin this cost journey step by step. One, foundation costs. The foundation of a stone house is crucial because of the heavy load. Excavation, reinforced concrete, steel reinforcement, and waterproofing can cost between $18,000 and $22,000 for a 100 square meters footprint. This includes machinery rental, labor, and material delivery. A stronger than average foundation ensures long-term safety. It accounts for roughly 15% of the total budget. Skimping on this step could compromise the entire project. Two, groundwork excavation. Excavation depends heavily on soil condition and site slope. For average terrain, excavation and soil compaction may cost $6,000 to $8,000. If the site is rocky or sloped, costs can rise to $10,000 due to blasting or terracing. Drainage pipes and gravel layers are also added to prevent water damage. Though often overlooked, groundwork ensures stability. It is a relatively small but unavoidable expense. Three, reinforcement and concrete slab. Pouring the reinforced slab with steel and concrete requires both material and skilled labor. The price for concrete, steel rebar, and formwork is around $12,000 to $15,000. Ready-mix concrete delivery may increase transport fees depending on location. This stage is labor-intensive but ensures durability. For a stone home, reinforcement is non-negotiable. It prevents cracks and uneven settling. Four, stone walls. Stone walls are the defining feature of this house and also the costliest part. Sourcing natural stone, cutting, and laying can cost between $28,000 and $35,000. Skilled masons are required, which raises labor expenses. Thick walls also reduce interior space slightly but improve insulation. This accounts for about 1/4 of the total budget. Authenticity and beauty come at a higher price compared to brick. Five, mortar binding materials. The mortar holding the stones together adds both strength and aesthetics. Using lime cement mortar, the cost for binding materials reaches about $4,000 to $5,000. This includes sand, lime, cement, and mixing labor. While cheaper than stone itself, the cost adds up due to the large wall surface. Skilled application prevents future cracks. It is a small but critical part of wall quality. Six, structural reinforcement. Modern elements like reinforced concrete columns and beams ensure seismic safety. Installing these hybrid supports costs around $10,000 to $12,000. Steel cages, formwork, and additional concrete are necessary. This hidden framework adds resilience without altering the visual style. It is especially important in earthquake-prone areas. Though invisible, this step secures long-term structural integrity. Seven, flooring materials. Floors contribute both function and beauty. Natural stone tiles or ceramic flooring cost around $8,000 to $12,000 depending on material quality. Subfloor leveling and adhesive installation add to labor costs. Wooden floors for bedrooms may increase expenses slightly. Durable flooring ensures comfort and longevity. This is a mid-range cost category but strongly influences aesthetics. Eight, roofing framework. Roof structures for stone houses need strong support. Timber beams and trusses treated against humidity cost between $10,000 and $14,000. Engineering is required to handle the weight of traditional tiles. Safety scaffolding adds temporary expenses. Wood shortages in some regions may raise prices. The framework is vital for both design and protection. Nine, roof tiles. Clay roof tiles are traditional and durable but heavy. Installing them, including underlayment and waterproof membranes, costs about $12,000 to $15,000. Skilled workers must carefully align each tile. Alternatives like composite tiles can reduce costs by 20 to 30%. Still, clay remains the best for authenticity. Their longevity often exceeds 50 years with low maintenance. Windows frames. Custom windows and thick stone walls are expensive. Installing double-glazed units with wooden shutters costs around $9,000 to $11,000. Frames must be cut precisely into stone walls, requiring labor-intensive work. Double glazing improves insulation and reduces energy costs. While costly, these windows define the house's charm. They combine tradition with modern comfort. Doors entrances. Solid wooden doors with iron details add authenticity. A main entrance door can cost $2,500 to $3,500, while interior doors average $500 each. For a small house with 6 to 7 doors, the total may reach $6,000 to $7,000. Using hardwood like oak or teak increases durability but also price. Decorative iron handles and locks add another $1,000. Doors balance style, security, and tradition. Interior finishes. Plastering, painting, and decorative finishes create the bright Greek atmosphere. Lime plaster and paintwork for a 100 square meters interior cost around $7,000 to $9,000. Multiple coats are required for smoothness. Decorative touches may push the cost slightly higher. These finishes enhance natural light reflection inside. It is a relatively moderate but necessary expense. Electrical plumbing. Installing utilities in stone homes is complex and costly. Electrical wiring, switchboards, and lighting fixtures cost around $6,000 to $8,000. Plumbing systems, including piping, fixtures, and a small water heater, add another $5,000 to $7,000. Combined, these utilities reach $11,000 to $15,000. Careful planning prevents expensive modifications later. Though hidden, they ensure modern comfort. Exterior landscaping paths, courtyards, stone paths, and terraces cost between $8,000 and $12,000. Natural stone paving raises the price but completes the aesthetic. Low stone walls or steps on sloped terrain add to expenses. A small garden with Mediterranean plants may add another $2,000. Landscaping ties the architecture with its surroundings. This final touch makes the home feel complete. Total cost overview. When all components are added, the total construction cost of a 100 square meters Greek-style stone house ranges from $120,000 to $160,000. The foundation and stonework make up the largest shares. Roofing, utilities, and windows also add significant amounts. While this cost is higher than standard houses, the durability and beauty justify the investment. Such a house will last for generations with minimal maintenance. It is both a financial and cultural asset. Thank you for watching this detailed cost breakdown of building a 100 square meter Greek-inspired stone house. We hope the dollar estimates gave you a realistic understanding of what it takes to create such a timeless design. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Linh Linh House for more architectural insights. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to the community. Stay inspired, and see you in the next video.